Yan, nagbakbak ko ng flooring. Ito yung dating pantry na maid's room na may sariling CR. So gagawin na siya isang buong guest CR. Ito, na may shower. Ayan. Ito magiging solid na shower na to. Enclosed. Pero tatanggalin na to. Ito na, gawa na in 3, 2, 1. Downstairs, the guest powder room is done. Yung hanging cabinet. Maraming ilaw. Here's the tiles. May exhaust, okay? Merong fan with light.